Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your keyboard clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So to do this, you need to open any application that allows your keyboard to pop up, like Google, and here you need to press this button here. It's clipboard, and now if I have nothing here, if I want to add something here, I will need to just type. First we need to go back here, and I will just need to type any text that I want to add to my clipboard. For example, word elephant. Now I'm gonna hold my finger onto the word, like so, and press copy. And now press this X button. Then go back to your clipboard, and here you'll have the word that you want to copy, and I'm just gonna paste it, and you can do it multiple times. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.